I said I'm gonna come in the shower and show you guys how it actually look, but let me just go through again. I'm gonna comb it through the big T comb. Like, my hair is feeling really nice and soft, like it's your girl Shantana Redman, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair treatment today. So as you all must be wondering, what exactly is this on the counter? Well, as you all can see by the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys how to prepare your sweet potato hair mask. Yes, I did say sweet potato hair mask, and let me give you up close of the sweet potato. So I got inspired by NAPTURAL85, if I'm pronouncing her name properly. Got inspiration from her, and I said I'm going to give it a try. So the stuff that we're going to need is just a basin to put the mixture in it. It can be any form of container or basin that you have. We're going to need this right here is actually some rice water. I did cook some rice and peas today, and I decided I'm going to use the rice water for mixture. So I did went ahead and add some oil to it. This is also some container of rice water, and I have my magic bullet here to blend the sweet potato. I just use one sweet potato, NAPTURAL85. She did bake her potato, but my oven is not working, so I went ahead and boiled the Jamaican sweet potato, of course. And it's one, but I just cut them up in small pieces just to make sure that they could hold in the magic bullet, because it's a very small one, so you want to make sure they're cut as neat as possible. So, and also very important is some olive oil. You can use any essential oil that you want to use, but for today's video I'll be trying the olive oil and see how it goes. So let's get started in the video. This is the magic bullet container, so I'm just gonna pull it off, and then I'm gonna add some potato to it. So I'm just going to break it a little and then put it inside of it and give you an up close view of the sweet potato. Right, so I'm going to add this piece in it, but I'm going to break this piece into two as well because I don't want to add too much. Then I'm going to go ahead with my rice water. I'm going to add enough, not too much liquid, but enough where I can blend out the sweet potato. And I'm just going to use maybe 2 corkfuls of the olive oil, or you can add based on the amount that you think is enough. Matter of fact, I'm going to go in with 3 corkfuls and then put it aside. Yeah, so it's looking really yummy and delicious. And sweet potato is actually a good food that you can eat. So that's how it actually looking. So I'm gonna pull it off to see how it's actually the texture, to see if it's the texture that I'm looking for. Guys, this sweet potato smells so good. And there you have it. That's exactly how it's looking. I'm just going. It's like a cream potato, sweet potato. And of course you can have this just as how it is. Like maybe somebody is sick, you can blend this up for a baby, like a 6-month-old baby as well. But for today we actually using it in our hair. So I'm just going to pour this batch. It's at the right pace that I want it. There you have it. In the plate for y'all to see. It's a really thick and nice texture. That's what I love about the sweet potato. Like, it smells so good, guys. And you could smell the olive oil that I also put it in as well. So as I said, you could tell anybody that this is some good old cornmeal porridge, but it's not cornmeal porridge. It's actually sweet potato. So I'm just gonna let it set for a few minutes and then come right back, guys. Okay. Hey guys, so I went ahead and washed my hair. So my hair is freshly washed. Yes. I didn't dry out all the water out of my hands, but I didn't want it to be dry. Like, honestly, I didn't want it to be dry. So I'm just going to go ahead a little and section my hair. I'm just going to pull away the section here. I'll start with the front section. I still walk with my spray buckle, just gonna apply a little bit, not too much. This is how it actually looks like. It is thick. So let's jump into the video. So I'm just gonna apply it first here. I gotta start making this all over. So I'm gonna apply it just like you cream in your hair or process in your hair. The edges will start off in one lump. So I'm gonna start and then I'm going to go through individually. So make sure you're catching the root. And right away I can feel my hair looking soft. I can feel the softness in my hair. Like, I'm not exaggerating, guys, but y'all see it. Like, you see that? I want y'all to take notice of the texture of my hair before I apply like product. So for this section, I'm just running my finger through the small section that I'm applying the sweet potato hair mask, and I discover some curling pattern popping out. Like, I know not all of my hair actually curled, but some section of my hair, because y'all know my hair is not pretty right throughout, and this product smells so good, especially with the olive. Some of the health benefits of using sweet potato or including sweet potato in your diet is that it contains fiber, vitamins, and mineral. It may have cancer-fighting properties. It supports healthy vision. It may enhance brain function, and it supports your immune system. But for today, we're using it in your. For this part, I'm parting my hair in section to make sure that all the mass is applied to my hair properly. I didn't make mention of the sweet potato is that it contains iron, copper, potassium, magnesium, and beta carotene. So the beta carotene aids in cell growth. It prevents hair thinning and can even reduce dullness in your hair. So for the sweet potato also, it provides massive nourishment to thirsty strands that is unmatched. The vitamin A will boost your scalp natural oil, so it will seal the moisture and promote hair growth, while the omega-3 fatty acid add luster by moisturizing your hair follicle. So you see where it's also important to incorporate in your diet and also to apply to your hair as well. So I'm going to continue applying the hair mask to the front part of my hair, and then I'm going to go off camera and apply to the back section of my hair. So I've completed all 4 sections with the hair mask, so I'm just going through to make sure that my hair is properly detangled, because when you apply the hair mask you want to make sure that your hair is combed out right through, because you don't want to have the struggle when you're washing it out for you to be detangling while the product sits in your hair for 30 minutes. I'm just combing out to show you guys how it's looking, and trust me when I tell you my hair is soft, like you can see just by taking a good look on how my hair look after each time I comb from top to bottom. The texture does feel heavy, like the mask feel heavy on my hair, but trust me guys, I am loving how it feel on my head. I promise you guys, if you try it, you can't go wrong. So as usual, I don't have a shower cap, so I'm just going to go in with a regular scandal bag, and I'm gonna tie it and let it sit for half an hour and then come back. For the remaining of the sweet potato mask, I'm just gonna apply some to my face and let it soak while my hair is also soaking. So guys, for hair now, I definitely know for sure that I do look crazy, but it's just a hair mask. But I must tell you that I enjoy applying the hair mask to my face, not to mention applying it on my face. Like, I feel so happy. So I'm just taking off the bag just to show you guys how it look after the 30 minutes set. For hair guys, I'm just going to do a quick run through of washing out the hair mask from my hair, but I'm going to apply some of the rice water that I have left over from the first half of the video. Just let it run through my hair, then I'm going to go ahead with the water from the pipe just to wash it out. There's no specific way how to wash out this hair mask. It's just for you to just use your finger. If you have a comb, you can also run the comb through it while you're combing out, and it wasn't hard for me to wash out, and not to mention it wasn't hard for me when I'm washing it off my face, and trust me, my face felt so smooth. Guys, the hair mask was really a success. Let me tell you, some water is still in my hair because I haven't gotten a chance to dry it properly, but I must tell you that you need to give this sweet potato hair mask a try. Like, you can't go wrong. Like, the texture of my hair while it was in it felt really smooth, felt really soft and nice. When I'm washing out, it wasn't hard. All you have to do is just have a heavy flow of water coming through and you work in your hands, or you can use a brush or a comb to comb it out. The texture of my hair now is really feeling nice and smooth. It's not hard to comb through. Like, I run the comb through it just for a short while and I'm actually loving it. Like, the texture feels really nice and soft. As it pertains to my hair being shredding, I don't really get any of it. Like, I run my hand through my hair, I'm not feeling anything coming out of my hands, which it is really good, because normally when I wash my hair and I start to detangle, like, a whole lot of hair coming out, but none. I haven't seen any so far. But for this hair mask, honestly, I would give it a 8 out of 10. There's still room for improvement, but I grade it for 10. Like, so I guess if you're constantly applying it over and over, it would actually work for you, or you will see progress, because you can't use something one day and expect, oh my god, it's gonna magically start growing the following day or the same time around. So it can be something that you try like 2 times for the month to see how it goes for you, but definitely I will give it this a try. As for my face, guys, my face feels soft like a baby bottom. Yes, like when I was washing it off, and that smooth nice texture like on my face, like, I'm telling you, there's no product on my face, it's just me. So it's just me washing off the sweet potato on my face, and I'm telling you guys, like, my face feel really smooth and nice. Like, y'all need to give it a try, like, literally. And for my hair, let me just get up close with it as well. See if I could get back the parting. I'm showing you guys, like, it's really feeling nice. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching my sweet potato hair mask. If you reached this far in the video, I really thank you. And of course, you're a Shantana gem for watching till the end. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, give this hair mask a try, tell a friend to come by and check out all my videos, watch, like, comment and share. You can run all the playlists from the start to the end. So bye guys.